Welcome to Kusum.net. This is ASP.NET MVC tutorial, and you are watching part 58, Razor Views in MVC continued. So in this session, you will learn Razor View syntax and how to use it in programming. Before watching this video, please watch my previous parts, part 55, part 56, and part 57. In my part 57, I was explained about Razor Views in MVC. You can see here use star symbol to comment in Razor Views. Means if you want to don't include the sentence in the programming language, then you will use this sign. So to comment the sentence, you need Control plus KC, and if you want to uncomment, you will click on Control plus KU. Let's flip to the Visual Studio and check it. Suppose I am writing this is my sentence. Okay. Now I want to I don't want to display this sentence at the runtime. So that what I will do, I will select this sentence, press Control plus K C. So it will commented by this sentence and the comment is given. And when I run this program, this sentence will not be displayed. Okay. If I want to remove this syntax, then select the sentence, press Control plus KU. Okay, so this syntax will be removed. Okay, so to give comment, use star at the end, and to uncomment, select all the sentence and Control plus KU. Okay, now we will see transition between C# expression and literal text. Means whatever you type, that if you want to combine and display, how can you display? Using a direct symbol. Let's see the click is Studio. For that, I will use a direct code block, and inside of that, I will pass my variables. Suppose integer day equal to 31, integer month equal to suppose 12, and integer year equal to 2013. Okay. To make it align this code, you will select this all and press Ctrl plus KD. Okay. Now, if you want to display these variables in one line, you will use before variable symbol like day, month, dash year, and before is the date is right. It will show the date. Save it, run it. Right. The output is the date is 31/12/2013. So to display each variable, you require symbol in the code block. This is my code block. address and this bracket. Okay, now using explicit code nugget means if you want to display the image one by one, you will use the code block. This code block will give the connection between HTML to C sharp. Okay. Suppose I want to display the five images one by one. For that, what I will do, I will use here for before that I will use code block. Inside of this code block, I will write for integer I equal to 1, I is less than equal to 5 because I have 5 images, I plus plus. Okay, and inside of this I will pass the image. So all the 5 images I have saved inside of this images folder. Right click on this application and create this images folder. Inside of that I have passed this 1 2 3 4 5 images. Okay. So in place of number, the image tag will display the images one by one. img src equal to, and the folder name images. Now in place of every image I will write here the and inside of nugget explicit code I will use I and complete this code. Okay, this is my nugget code because I want to use here the extension name of the image. So png is my extension name of the image, and to use that png extension name I am using here the nugget code, right? So now I remove this all things and display only this. So save it, run it, and refresh it. This I dot png will display all the 5 images because this loop I have used. I equal to 1, I use this, then equal to 5, I plus 4. Okay. You can see the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this code block contains the C# code, and this image tag contains the HTML code. To give the connection between C# code and HTML code, I have used here the symbol, and to display the images using these numbers because all the images I have given the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 use these images. Okay, so in place of numbers there will be display these images. Okay, so this is called a nugget code added inside of the small brackets the I variable. Okay, let's go to this second slide and see. Added symbol is used as code delimiter in Razor views. However, Razor view is smart enough to recognize the format of internet email address and not to treat the added symbol as a code delimiter. Means if you write email address, then the Razor view syntax will be taken as as a simple character, not at the red symbol. Okay, because MVC is used extractions to detect this email address with and count at the rate as a character, not as a razor syntax. Okay, so let's check it. this is my email address. Uh, gmail.com. Because this is email address, this MVC application will not count this symbol as a syntax, but as a character. So when I write, it will display the email address with symbol. You can see here, this is my email address, and email address is printed with this character. But if I will write, I will meet you at office, it will not print because this is not an email address. So MVC application not count as a character, but it will take as a symbol syntax. So let's check it. I will meet you at office. Okay. If I write this, it will display this red line, means error. But if I write double then MVC will count as a character, not a syntax. Okay. So let's save it and refresh the page to run the application. So this is successfully run and it says, I will meet you at office. Now it is printing symbol when I write extra Okay. So this resolution text session now completed here, and we will see next chapter in the next session. So this is my end of video session. If you like this video, please subscribe it, like it, share it. Thank you. Have a great day.